Alright, well, I'm just going to show you how far I got with the rad here. She's all done. So I'll just show you. This is the front of the rad. Here's the trans cooler. And I'll just show you. I wanted to put, I was a little concerned about the mounting flanges on this transmission, or the rad, because it was kind of thin. So what I was able to do was I added these brackets and they're on the bottom, one on each side. And I wanted to put some brackets up top too, way up there, but I couldn't get to it. So I'm hoping that these two brackets will be enough. Should be. It seems real solid. So and this rad does sit higher. Here is the cross member. I believe the old rad was sitting real close to it, so hopefully that won't affect the cooling. But I believe this is a 2-core rad and the old one was a single core, so that might help. I'll just show you the other side. Really happy with the clearances. Good clearance between the rad hose and the fan, and same on the top. So install wasn't bad at all, actually. It went really well. So let's start it up and see how it looks. Okay, so we got the engine running. Let's have a look. Okay, so I'm going to let that run for a little while. Just want to have a look at the old rad here. Okay, no, I was wrong. This is a double core too. First I thought it was a single core. Okay, well, thanks for watching.